Still got her cool, but I'm here with her at him, my day off, so taking care of her, doing my duties. Say hi. With her runny nose. Oh Lord. Give her some food. Lunch. So she's a little bit more energetic right now. Took a nap already. Kyria. Kyria. Hi. Are you gonna play a baby Grinch? Where's baby Grinch? Where's the baby Grinch? Are you gonna get him? It's behind you. Baby Grinch? Where is he? Say I love you, Nana. I love you, aunties. Say see you later. Say bye-bye. Okay, you kind of said bye or hi. Say bye-bye. Bye. Say it. Why are you just staring at me like that?